Alright, beauties, we are in a different room. I'm working toward trying to do clothing try-ons and being able to take selfies and things like that. So, hence being in a different room. But I just received my Stitch Fix. I don't know what's in here yet. I'm going to try it on with you guys. But you always receive a priority mailer to send the products back that you're not going to keep. You get your little card here that tells you the pricing of everything, who your stylist was, things like that. And then it is packaged beautifully each time. We're going to open it up, we're going to put the first piece on, and then I will BRB. And of course, y'all know that Brett's in here with me so that he can judge. And I did switch my sizes. I will also note that in filming my very first one where everything was too big, and I said I wouldn't be keeping anything, several of you, I didn't know this until after filming and uploading, but several of you did let me know, so I want to also reiterate to you guys. If I love something in here, or if you get something like my last box, if you get something and you really love it, but it's just too big or too small, you can still keep it, and then they will switch out the sizing for you and send the proper size to you. All right, first up is this tee and a pair of shorts. Much better this time, you guys. I did size down to a 2X in all dresses, tops, things like that, and I kept the 22s for my bottoms just because I'm very bottom heavy until I kind of lose a little bit more weight. Then I'll change my sizes again. And I did let my stylist know that we'll be going out of town for Easter, so I wanted some shorts, a cute dress, and then like some kind of flowy tank tops, flowy tops. And so far, I'm obsessed. Let me get my little pamphlet. All right, it says, your style delivered. This is my second fix. It says, hey Darissa, and welcome to your second fix. I hope all is well and you're having a great week. I packed this full of fresh new styles that will be great additions to your closet for the warmer weather that is ahead for you in North Carolina. The Emery Park open front woven that's breezy and a must-have for spring and summer. You can even wear this as a swim cover-up. Oh, exciting! I encourage you to try this on with the Market and Spruce short sleeve pocket tee. And put this together with your shorts. That's exactly what I intended on doing, and so far, so good. Add your favorite sandals and you'll be set for an instant outfit. I added the City Chic ruffle hem maxi dress. Oh yes, for an instant outfit. I love maxi dresses in the summertime. You can dress this up or down no matter what's on your schedule for the day. I hope you enjoy these pieces and look forward to seeing what you think. Cheers, Lindsay. Thank you, Lindsay. So let me give you some deets on this. I'm going to cover up the pricing for now. Again, I want to love something and then say yes or no to it. I don't want to look at something and be like, oh, it's too much or whatever, and then decide not to get it. So the top is the Market and Spruce Elaine Pocket Short Sleeve in dark gray in a 2X. And the shorts are the Liverpool Gia Glider Pull-On Cruiser Shorts in deep indigo in a 22. So I will show you what this looks like. I am obsessed with this. This top has such a beautiful hand to it. It's nice and slinky. It's incredibly soft. The fit is perfection. I love the color. I like that it has like a slight kind of high-low with it. It is incredibly comfortable. It feels super duper soft. This is a win. I love this. I would wear it just loose like this, super casual, or of course you could tuck it in as well. So the shirt is a yes. I love it. It's like nice and fitted, but then drapes away from the body. The length is perfect. I love this. I am giving the shirt a 10. What do you think?
I give it an 8.
An 8 out of 10 is great for him. If you would have watched the previous fix, my very first one, of course things were too big, so they weren't fitting me well, but he really didn't like anything. The shorts are amazing. They have really good stretch to them. I really like the rise of these as well. They're a longer like Bermuda style short. You can see they're a little bit longer. They fit impeccably. They fit really, really well on my bootay. I love these. So far, I'm so incredibly happy this time. Last time I was super bummed because things didn't fit, but going in and changing my sizing has been beneficial. I'm also giving the shorts a 10. What do you think?
An 8 again.
All right, look y'all, an 8 and an 8. We're heading in the right direction. BRB. All right, beauties, I'm here just to reiterate and say to you guys, I always make sure in trying on clothing, whether in store or at home, I wear whatever good bra and good panties or undergarments that I would always wear kind of going out. So make sure that you're doing that. Like this bra is nice and uplifting. It kind of keeps everything in place where it's supposed to be. And my undergarments are comfortable. Nothing is, you know, spilling over. I don't have muffin top or anything like that. As opposed to me maybe trying on a top of a sports bra or something. And then when I actually go to wear the clothing, it fits totally different and doesn't fit well. So just a little tip on that, BRB. All right, next up is the Mason & Bell Tempesta Lace Detail Tank Top in purple in a 2X, and I kept the shorts on. I also forgot to try the little shrug thing or whatever's supposed to be in here, so I'm going to try that on as well. Okay, this The fit is fine, and I actually really love that it's nice and light and flowy. I like the detailing and everything on it. I'm just not a big fan of the color. Like if this was in like peaches, corals, yellows, something like that, I think I would prefer that. So I'm going to see if it comes in different colors just because like the length and everything I really love. It feels really good quality. Again, it has that slight high-low that I am obsessed with. I have room for the bust, but it drapes away from the body. So only based on the color of it, because I like everything else about it, I'm going to give it a 6 or a 7. What do you think?
I'm going to give it a 5.
A 5. Okay, that's not bad. It does have like a tiny bit of stretch to it, and it's kind of like this gauzy type material. Let me get it closer and show you guys. But I mean, it's really pretty. And the detailing and everything is nice as well. But the top itself I really love. I said that I wanted flowy things, nice for spring and summer, so she definitely nailed it. She's nailing this box thus far. Yeah, I'll pop up right here if it had a different color and if I did choose to get it. Let me grab this other piece here and let you know what this is. Already I love this, and this is more my vibe and more my colors. This is the Emery Park Kaylee Open Front Woven in black 2X. This I love, and for sure, especially with my black bathing suit that I have, this would be a beautiful cover-up. It feels incredibly soft, you guys. Of course, yellow is my favorite color, so I love the color story already. Of course, I would never wear it with this, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. But this definitely with the first top, or as a swimsuit cover-up, or just with a basic tank. Oh, I love this. It feels very good quality. It feels nice and light. I could tie it up if I wanted to tie it up. I like this. I like this a lot. It's not something I would go buy for myself, but that is why I'm doing Stitch Fix, so that I can broaden my horizons and have things to wear when I go visit my son. Only based on, it's just not something I would buy all the time, I'm going to give it an 8. What do you think?
I'll give it a 4.
Oh, 4. Ooh. Just because you don't like it itself, or just kind of because it's like a cover-up thing and it's not your favorite?
It's a cover. I mean, what would you use it for other than covering a bathing suit up?
I would wear that little tank top. Imagine that with the shorts, or a yellow or gray tank top with this on top, and then some sandals. I see what you're saying, though. It's definitely not typically my vibe. Okay, we have one more thing to try on. BRB. All right, beauties. Last up is the City Chic Zoe Ruffle Hem Maxi Dress in burgundy in a size 20. I'm on the fence on this one. I like how I can kind of adjust it up here and adjust it around the waist. I really like to have waist definition. I like kind of the feeling of it. It's that more flowy kind of gauzy type material that I really, really love. It also has like a high-low hem on it. I think it fits really well. It has some really nice detailing on the back as well. So it has like a slight high-low hem. And typically I either want a short dress or maxi, like very, very long. So typically I wouldn't like this, but because it comes almost to my ankles, I am only 5'5", I don't mind it. I just don't like the color for spring and summer. And that's my only thing with it. I'm gonna give it a 6. What do you give it?
3.
Why?
It looks like an upside down curtain.
Oh, well that's just the style though. You're not really into bohemian stuff. Let me raise y'all back up. I just think it's just not your preferred style. Okay, if I had to absolutely pick, for sure I'm keeping the gray top and for sure the shorts. I'm gonna look and see if the purple tank comes in another color, because with Stitch Fix, kind of the more you buy, the bigger discount you get. If you keep the entire box, you get 25% off. Again, I have not looked at pricing yet. But if I had to 100% pick, I am keeping the shorts, I'm keeping the top, and I feel like you should keep 3 or nothing, basically, or 3 or more or nothing. So I think if the purple tank comes in a different color, I think I'm also gonna do that. And I'm on the fence as far as like the kind of like shrug cover up thing, just because it's not something I always wear. I personally like it. I think I'm gonna try it on again with the actual outfit and make an outfit out of it, and then kind of take my thoughts there. So for sure keeping the shorts, and I'm gonna keep the gray top. Let's look at pricing now, I'm a little scared. All right, the Kaylee Open Front Woven, which is the like bathing suit cover-up thing, is a size 2X and it's only $34. Ooh! The City Chic Zoe Ruffle Hem Maxi Dress burgundy in a 20. Absolutely not. Is $99. No. For me to buy, and I'm okay spending $100 on a piece of clothing if it is immaculate, perfection, fits my body great. This is not that. The Liverpool Gia Glider pull-on cruiser shorts are $78. Oh, that's a little pricey, but I really like how they fit. We'll see. The Market & Spruce Elaine Pocket Short Sleeve in dark grays, only $29. I think that's a great price on that. The Mason & Bell Tempesta Lace Detail Tank is $44. I will not be keeping this, and if it's worth it to get the discount to keep the cover up, I will keep that. So I will note right here what I got. Overall, much better experience. She did exactly what I asked. I feel like maybe I just need to be a little bit more specific and kind of tweak things a little bit. But this, instead of a 22 or a 3X, it definitely fits much, much better. The shorts fit great. Like, everything's fitting better. And I really feel like this fix was exactly what I asked for. So what are your thoughts? Sound off below. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.